Right folks, in this video I'm going to try go through some more date stuff with you. I've done a lot of stuff on reload time and I mainly use that just for convenience. So I'm going to get started. We have text object here that says equals reload time, and then we've got a lot of text objects like these are all saying the same thing: date, reload time, and 3 days. But actually when you put in date, reload time and DDD in single quotes, you get 021 as the answer. Now if you were to put weekday, so weekday date reload time, and we'll close that parenthesis off. Again, I'm learning this stuff as I go, so if you click apply, then it'll actually give you Sunday, which is the result you're looking for, but not necessarily. You might be looking for SUNDAY, so the full name for Sunday. In that case, you would actually we'll do it in another one. Click OK, and we'll go into this one, and we'll type type date reload time, and then in the single quotes instead of 3 days, we'll put in 4 W's in uppercase. That should give us the full day name. So if we click apply, we should get Sunday. So there now, from the reload time, we have weekday date reload time, comma DDD. That gives us SUN for Sunday. And then if we do date reload time, comma 4 W's, it becomes Sunday. Again, we could do, if we get rid of this, we say equals reload time. Again, we're just using reload time as an example, and before that we say we could do month. So month reload time, close parentheses. So click OK, click apply. You can see here we've got the month of April. Or we could say in the next text object, we instead of we could say equals month, equals date reload time, and then put a format in here. So we'll just go into it here. We'd say comma 2 single quotes, and within single quotes, because we're looking for the month, we could say 3 M's. Click OK, and it should give us the result of APR, which is for April. Okay, it's not. Maybe it's month. You should normally give back APR, so I'm just going to check something. Yeah, day names is set for APR, so I think I'll come back to that and I'll explain it shortly. I'll have a think. We should be coming back with APR. If we say year reload time, get 2013, or we could say instead of year we could say date and give it format, comma 4 Y's for year. So actually that worked because I didn't change. I should have done it in a different. If I copy that, I'm going to the next object and paste, and see it's saying 021 here. If I click We're saying date, reload time, year. Click apply, and the year should change to 2013. We could do the same for day and get rid of, so day reload time should give us the number, so 21, which is the number we're looking for. In this instance, the one below it, it's saying date, but again, if we change that to day, so day reload time, and get rid of the format, see now that's changed to 21. So you could in essence then get something that looks, if we copy this, you can see at the top we've got Sunday, don't mind that, we've got a bit of text in there, so we can get rid of this. So we've got Sunday 21st, we're missing the ST, but we've got Sunday 21 April 13. So what we could do is we could say equals date reload time, we'll give it a format, and the format will be the day, so we want a full day, single quotes, and it'll be www, 4 W's, and it's going to click OK for now, and click apply. So you can see we've got Sunday, so now we're going to add to that, we're going to say Sunday 21, and for 21 we would say day reload time, click apply. So you can see Sunday 21, so we can, just after the and, we'll go into here so you can see, just after the and, we can put in some space, put another and in there. Again, we can click OK, click apply, so say it's Sunday 21. We can say date reload time. Sorry, we're missing our and in there. And reload time. Format the date, so we're looking for the months, so we say comma single quotes, uppercase 4 M's, and click OK. We can then click apply just to see how we're getting on. So it's saying Sunday 21 April, so we can never put a space between the single quotes. Click apply. As you can see, we're using lots of stuff now. We're using weekday, day, month, year, and it's all just to get used to using Qlikview date and time functions. So we can say and space single quote space single quote, and so we can try date, or we try year reload time. That should be it. So that should be click apply, Sunday 21 April 2013. Again, we can go into this, and just before the year we could say and write say comma 2 close parentheses, so that should give us instead of 2013 or 2013, it should just give us 13. So click OK, click apply. You can see it's Sunday 21 April 13. So that's the full, I suppose we could So date reload time, www to get the day name, day reload time to get the day number, date reload time, and months, and then write your reload time, comma 2 to get the 1 3 13. So that's pretty much it. I hope that helps on an introduction to Qlikview dates, and a lot more to come over the next couple of months. See you next video. Cheers.